All right, what's up? What's up? Another crazy day in the markets. Crazy moves. We have PRST, BLBX today. We had CFRX today. So BLBX went from $2.20 all the way, $2.30 all the way up to $12.47. Crazy move on this one. On a percentage basis, this thing ripped almost 400%. Crazy. We also had PRST today that made a nice move. And we also had CFRX, another one that made a nice move from this pre-market range, going from 240 all the way up to 365, a nice 50% move. So the market is still there. The market's still giving some quality opportunity. And I'm here to take some decent size, get a little aggressive, trade a little bit more active. Today it paid off a little bit. I'm up $320. So another over $300 day. Very, very good. PRST was the main winner today. We also had CFRX as well. Coming into today, I was actually red a little bit. And BLBX kind of just got away from me. I didn't really see this until, I believe, this pullback here to pull back to 7. But I thought like this thing was already up 200% on a second pullback. I thought way too extended, which it was. But it didn't really. I still had another 60% to go. And I pretty much sat this one out on BLBX. I tend to do worse on stocks with big spreads and a higher price. So, once stocks start to have like a bigger spread, I tend to I don't perform as good as stocks that are like under $10 with a little bit of a tighter spread. That's why I did much better on CFRX and PRST, because it's easier to get in and out and not take a loss on the spread when you're just scalping, because I'm primarily a scalper. So nice 320 on the day. After today, I just crossed $20,000 in profits. So that is also a milestone that we just crossed, which is amazing. I remember when I crossed 10,000, it felt like maybe a couple months ago, and now here I am crossing 20,000. Before you know it, I'll be at 50,000 and 100,000 and beyond that. So everything is, working out good so far. Market is giving some opportunity. I hope this lasts for quite a while until we start to die down. But until then, I'm going to be coming every day and ready to swing at the next big gapper. So we'll take a look here at the live trading. So PRST I thought had the best daily chart. So just looking at the daily chart on PRST. The flow was a little bit bigger than CFRX. CFRX and PRST were the main stocks I was looking at. BLBX was just too thin, big spreads, big price. So I was already kind of wrote that one off. I think PRST might have more to go. I think we could actually see a break of this flat top here at 4.4. And my main watch is PRST because of the daily chart didn't have as much resistance as we did on CFRX. CFRX were on a huge backside for months and months and months that I would just feel like any sort of pop would just be rejected. And that really started to make me believe that I think PRST had a better chance of making a run. CFRX did make that run right out of the open, but it was very short-lived, didn't have much continuation, pretty much faded from there. PRST, a little bit bigger float than CFRX, but still, 30 million float according to FinViz, and we're still kind of pushing highs here, so that's good. Anyone who's accumulating shorts on these highs, eventually they're going to get to the point where they're at their max loss on the trade or their max stop on the trade, and they're going to start to cover, and then this could potentially make that borderline parabolic squeeze through 4.4 to 4.5, maybe up to $5. After we break this level here, we're probably looking at the next resistance. Yeah, so we probably would get resistance here at 5, after 5, potentially here at 6, after 6. We're looking pretty good from there. But, I think we'd have some resistance at the lows of these candles, previous support, now resistance. And we didn't break over this area here for that bounce. So we're going to have some resistance up here at 630. So, still have some resistance, but I think there's some room, maybe up to 5, maybe 6. But it is a 30 million share float. Wow, look at that. Okay. We did get that squeeze. Yeah, so this is about where the shorts are probably at their end of their line here, ready to stop out. Maybe I should get in long here. Oh, I don't like to stop trading and then start trading 3 hours later, because mentally I'm already finished, and if I were to just give back profits, it would just feel so much worse than if you were giving back profits when in the morning. But yeah, here we go. Just like I was saying, that max loss here for the shorts. Here they are. They're taking their loss. Dang it, man. As soon as I was calling it out, it freaking goes. Oh. I could have caught this. I could have bought this here, but I don't know, man. I don't know. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm pretty much wrapping it up from there. Yeah, anyways, I had the trade here on CFRX into the highs. So we traded this one, got that pullback, and then that extension up into the highs, and then that 1 minute pullback for continuation. I was able to make like over $100 or so on this front side. So, catching the dips, selling the pops, you know how it is. Then here we go, PRST starts to rip towards the highs, really strong. And I just grabbed in 500 shares, and I rode this baby from 55 up to 80. Or no, 60 up to 84, so that's 24 cents a share. Pretty much a 10% move right there I caught. And then it goes even more, just crazy. And here it is, PRST is still going. That was pretty much my move for PRST to get $300 on the day. So let's jump in here and see if we cannot maybe trade a little bit more. I don't know if we have that extension, those legs up to 5. I mean, it's 1 o'clock. I don't know. I mean, last week we had a couple all-day movers. But, again, my lags are still kind of, my trades are still kind of laggy. Again, like I was just saying, like 2 seconds or 3 seconds late before I get filled, and then I'm going to sell. It's a couple seconds late. I think we're going to see 5. CFRX is starting to break that range. We'll see if shorts stop out there. Yeah, CFRX starting to, if we can break VWAP and hold CFRX, we could see some shorts getting squeezed. Anyone who's accumulating these highs of here. Potentially, if we squeeze up the 320, it could start to run. Usually, once one stock starts to go, then the other stocks will start to follow. Let's see how far this will go here. I think breaking 3 would be a critical level. Freaking PRST, man, 420 all the way up to 490. Almost a 20% move. I don't know. PRST looks the best. Still looks the best. I think we'll see $5, but I'm calling it here. Up green, $320. You know, I could keep trading PRST, but the fills are still, I've started to get a little bit of a laggy fill. And, I'm actually only on a break here at work, so I got to get back to the day job. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. I am active in, look at this, look at the bottoming tail on that. I'm active in my Discord every single day. So I'm trying to get a little bit, I want to get more people a little bit more active in the Triad Trading Discord channel. There goes CFRX. And go CFRX. So I'm going to be active in there. If you guys want to chat in the Discord, you guys can join. Also, check out the links to Trade Journal, which you can document and journal your trades for free. Also, like that video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys getting green on PRST, CFRX, and BLBX today. Those are some good movers. I'll be back tomorrow to capture some more green in the markets, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.